how to connect WordPress to Filezilla. So the first step is to simply open Filezilla and then click on File and then simply click on Site Manager from the main window. Then click New Site and then simply name the new connection to what you want. As an example, you can name it My Blog Server and then enter the FTP address for your website in the host box. Usually if your website is like this, as you can see, then the FTP address may be FTP and then the domain. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply leave the port box blank. The default value 21 should be used. Only change this if your FTP account details explicitly indicate that you should. Select normal from logon type box and enter the full username that you've been given in the user box. It may be just a username or it may be look like an email address. And then enter password and then click OK, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.